In our previous video, we revealed the rarest car featured in Fast and Furious. In this video, let's find out which are the top 5 fastest cars based on their stock performance. Do you know which car is the fastest? Let's compare them. 5th place, 2000 Honda S2000. 4th place, 1993/1995 Mazda RX-7. 3rd place, 1994 Toyota Supra MK4. 2nd place, 1995 Nissan Skyline GTR. The first place and fastest car in this movie, 1995 Ferrari F355 Spider 3.5-liter V8. Hope you enjoyed the video. More content is already on our channel, and more is coming.